Oops.
So this girl is amazing.
And it's just a breeding pair.
Yeah, not really compatible, unfortunately. Or Amur leopards are difficult. We have the Persian leopards also, which is a different subspecies. They're completely different. They're more like tigers or snow leopards.
Yeah.
But these guys are really aggressive. We can only keep them together when she's in heat.
Yeah.
Otherwise, as soon as she's not in like really heat, then they start fighting. So it's
We're lucky with the cheetah,
Yeah.
when she's in season, I put the male in, he stays there for 3 days, and after 3 days he walks at the gate and stands there and he says, I'm finished,
I'm done.
thank you."
That's good. That's really good.
But now, is there a big difference in size?
Yeah. So maybe he's around 50, 55 kilos, and she's maybe 35
Yeah.
kilos.
I'm quite a bit smaller, yeah.
So,
And
and
the coat pattern compared to the African leopard?
I think these are thicker. What's the
rosettes?
rosettes? Yeah. I think they're thicker.
Yeah,
than the
they
African
seem to be more spaced apart
Yeah.
as well.
Yeah.
It's okay.
And
Go ahead.
for us, we've been quite unlucky when it comes to Amur leopards. I mean, in the wild, it's it's only 50. Also London, so it's Joe Cook from London. She's my age or 2 years older.
You're a sucker for leopards. We barely see them in South Africa. They're elusive in a way. I struggle to see them. I just hoping to get a photo of the tail, the gold. Did you come to Chinese film camera? I just don't know.
I studied in the company had them for it, and there's one leopard ranging for about 200 kilometers. One male.
Yeah. Yeah, no, and for us, we got our first couple in '96, and we didn't get the house at all. And we actually tried off fishing some
About a yawn.
okay.
You'd like a yawn. Nice big yawn. Yeah, come on. Come on, you can do it.
They got old and died, and then we got a new couple. It's been another name. Finally got a couple, and we were on the way to go. So happy.
How many did you give?
Just one.
But how many?
Oh,
You know,
2, 3, 4 maximum. I think. But then after 3 months, that couple got blind, both eyes. It's completely gone.
Not cataract, blind.
Yeah, blind. So I probably was cataract, so it could probably be pre-operated, but the time for the she was not allowed to bleed anymore because of the eye disorder, and just the time to heal and everything. So the veterinarian.
Come on, you're sleepy. Give us a yawn.
That is euthanize it. So we had to euthanize the first owners, and then because they thought it might